Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TMDI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. That does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but quite the eventful day, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one, so let's map out some areas of support and resistance. First area that really stands out is just the support, and nothing fancy behind it other than at 2 separate occasions, the bears try to press down through $3.20, but you got to give credit where credit's due on both those situations, both during the first 30 minutes and then later on in the late morning. The bulls held strong, and not only did they hold strong, but eventually finally got a nice little bounce into the final 30 minutes, which is being represented by that candle right there, and then you correspond that with the volume down there. And yeah, definitely good solid volume to the final 30 minutes, which leads into the very valid question of, hey, is this the start of something bigger? Is this, is there some strength behind this bounce? And, the easiest way to kind of monitor that is let's just see if the price can start to make some progress forward. And as far as progress is concerned, let's define that up there as staying up above $3.50. Now, if $3.50 fails, does that mean everything's totally ruined? I'm not going to say that, because you still do have this overall level down here at $3.20 that now has a track record, of past history of holding strong. But preferably speaking, yeah, definitely staying above $3.50 would do that. But the other way to kind of, answer that question of is this the start of something bigger is, well, let's just see how the price reacts around some of the areas of resistance. And the main points of resistance going into both Thursday and then Friday are going to come via the moving averages up there. That purple line on my chart denotes the 50-period moving average. The pink line denotes the 200-period moving average. So keep an eye on those. Hard to, that's where things get a little tricky because they are moving averages. So those moves or those lines are going to move and change as time goes on, and therefore the values are going to move and change. Right now, valued right up around the 387 mark, but again, that will change as Thursday and Friday play out. But from a general sense, keep an eye on those, and if the price can get up and start to break above that area, then yeah, this could definitely start to turn around and bring in some more organic momentum, but one day at a time. So we'll see how this one plays out on Thursday. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.